In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to figure out which QuickBooks product you have. If you're not completely sure which QuickBooks plan you're currently using, don't worry. This is something you can confirm very quickly right from your account settings. Knowing your exact product is helpful because different plans include different features, tools, and user limits, so it's a good idea to verify the plan name before making changes to your subscription or looking up support articles. To get started, sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the QuickBooks account you want to check, especially if you manage more than one company or subscription. Once you're signed in and looking at your dashboard or home screen, you're ready for the next step. Now go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. In some versions, this may also be labeled as Settings. This area is where QuickBooks keeps many of the account-level options, including billing and subscription details. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to look carefully in the upper right section of the page. After opening that menu, select Subscriptions and Billing or Account and Settings, depending on what appears in your version of QuickBooks. The wording can vary slightly, but both paths are designed to take you to the area where your plan information is stored. If you see Account and Settings first, click that and then continue to the billing-related section. Once you're there, look for the Billing and Subscription tab. This is the section that shows the details of your current QuickBooks plan. Here you should be able to see the exact name of your subscription. For example, it may say Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. That plan name tells you which QuickBooks product you currently have. When checking this page, make sure you're looking at the active subscription information and not a promotional message or upgrade option. The current plan name is usually displayed clearly in the billing section, so just read that title carefully. And that's it. Once you've found the plan name, you've successfully confirmed which QuickBooks product you're using. This only takes a minute and it can save time later if you need help, want to compare features, or plan an upgrade. That's all. Thanks for watching.